Okay, hey guys, it's me, Lilo Stars here, 774, and my cat just had kittens. Baby J! Baby J! This is Baby J. She's so cute. Hi, Baby J. Hi, Baby J. These are her kittens. I don't know if you can tell that they're even there. Yeah. Here's one of them. They don't even have their eyes open. They're like, oh God, Baby J, why did you do that? No, they can't nurse. Hi. Okay, I've only named one of them. Hey, you're smishing one of your kittens. Oh my God. No. Here. Okay, there you go. Oh God. This black one right here, that's Oreo. That's the only one that we named yet so far. Someone's gonna name that one. And we have two calico ones that look just like Baby J's mom. Hi, Baby J. Hi, baby girl. Yeah. They're so cute. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching, and bye.